Hello everyone, this is B for trymeoncereviews, and today we are reviewing TeckNet X360 ultra thin Apple iPad Air keyboard. So I don't have an Apple iPad Air, I have iPad Air 2, which is a little even sleeker than the iPad Air. So you would see, this is the keyboard case. Right now I'm having it here. So you would see, my iPad would fits all, slice a little bit, but if you have iPad Air, it's gonna fit perfectly fine. I'm just using iPad Air to demonstrate the capabilities, so that's the one thing. So this is the iPad, but on the other side, if you see this fit, it almost looks, it's a as clean finish as of the iPad, so it suits it really nice. And if you open it on, turn it on, you would see, you see it unlocks and locks, so that means it clearly tells you. This also is a smart cover, so it also behaves as a smart cover, auto power wake and features. Then it comes, then you talk about this hinge. With this hinge allows you to keep your iPad securely in a viewing angle position so that you can type and work on it. Detaches easily and easily fixes in. So I tried to connect Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth connected in a matter of seconds. So as you turn it on, let me open notes again. So you turn it on, you just turn on the Bluetooth, you see the light blinking and it's connected. The online keyboard went down, and you can see this is a review for TeckNet Bluetooth keyboard. There's a nice feedback on the keys. The keys are very well constructed, and it gives you a nice feeling. You have the keypad, you have a connect button here, a Bluetooth button here, micro USB charging port. Nice elevated keys. You have all the keys. You have the command keys and a function key with special operations. So that's a key set here there as well. And let me just take it off. So you can see the TeckNet branding here. You have the TeckNet branding. Not a very heavy keyboard, really light keyboard. Closely, and you can close it like this. This is how it comes in. Also comes with a micro USB cable to charge the device. And if you have a perfect fit for iPad Air, you just slide your iPad Air in, and here's a really nice case as well. So if you're looking for a keyboard for your iPad Air, this is a really nice keyboard, and you should give it a try. This was B for trymeoncereviews. Thank you.